remove this panel, you gotta pop this down. And there's one screw here. And then we pop it off. There's still 2 wires hooked up. This wire was a future plugged into here. Both these were the climate control. This here came. I want to replace these bulbs. Gave that a 1/4 turn. Okay, here's the new LED lights. Oh, pardon me, 1/4 turn clockwise. Not exactly a good fit. That's still loose. I'm going to get a wider screwdriver. So I need to put some downward pressure and twist a little more. Alright. Original equipment, plastic, nice and firm. Aftermarket LED. This is soft. Doesn't really feel the same quality. Comparing how they both latch on. This is thinner here. The original is thicker.